So let me show you the Lavender Memories kit and what's in it. So first of all, I'll go through the printed cardstock that you get. So let's do it like that. So you get 2 sheets of this one, which has got it's difficult to see in this light, but it's a kind of lavendery background. And 2 of those. There are 2 of these. There we go. And a really nice squiggly one. Oh. And that's the background of that. And then you get 2 dotty ones. And these 2, which have got these really cool circles on the back. And then you also get cardstock, plain cardstock. So you get 2 light pink, I would say these were. And some lilac-y, light purpley colour. And dark purpley colour. And you'll also get some dark blue. And then on top of all that, you get a sticker sheet. These are peel-off stickers. So there's plenty there to embellish your pages with. And you get 4 sheets of sticky letters. And these are the Scrabble letters. And there's plenty of different letters on there to keep you going. And they give you extra A's, E's, and things like that, so that you've got plenty for what you need to do for titles. And these are little pads of embellishments. So they make little paper peel and stick. And you get these gorgeous, they're not epoxy, they're kind of plastic buttons that you can stick on. They're self-adhesive. You get some washi tape. Now, if you've never used washi tape before, it's really great because it repositions without damaging your paper, and you can tear it. And it's really good for getting nice straight edges, but just embellishing things. It's a really nice, simple option for crafting with. And next in the kit is these beautiful paper squares. There's 4 of each in different designs. And you get a whole pack of little mini buttons. And you get 2 skeins of this. This is really interesting. It's a kind of soft, it's not ribbon, it's a kind of fake suede type thing, but it goes really well on pages, and it's nice and flat, so it's not too bumpy. And finally, materials, these are going to be difficult to hold up. They're are, oops, I can't do this. There are a whole pack of paper flowers in different colours. And then in every Scrapbox kit, I always give you page planning handout. So you get one of these, and you can copy this as many times as you want, and you get the page sketches as well to help you. So I hope that's been interesting. If you're interested in this, interested in the Lavender Memories kit, if you go onto my website, which is memoriesandphotos.co.uk, click on Scrapbox and you'll see all the kits listed there. Or you can do a search for Lavender Memories and you'll find it like that. I'll see you again soon. Bye.